If you've ever woken up with stiff, swollen, or painful knees and ankles, wondering if this is just part of getting older, I have some encouraging news for you today. You're not alone in this struggle, and more importantly, there's something you can do about it. After age 60, more than half of all adults experience leg swelling or joint pain that interferes with daily life. Simple pleasures like gardening, playing with grandchildren, or taking evening walks can become challenging. But here's what recent research has discovered. Low collagen levels are the hidden culprit behind most joint problems, accelerating aging and stealing our mobility year by year. The exciting news is that science now proves we can rebuild our joints through the foods we eat. Today, I'm sharing 13 specific foods that can transform your aching joints and reduce leg swelling. These aren't expensive supplements or exotic ingredients. They're wholesome foods available at any grocery store. Wait until you hear about food number 3. Researchers discovered it can regenerate cartilage and reduce pain by 82%, even if you're in your 70s or 80s. Before we begin, please share in the comments where you're watching from, your age, and what food or remedy has helped your joint pain. We read every comment and love hearing your stories. If this information helps you, please like and subscribe for more senior health content. Let's discover these remarkable foods that can restore your mobility and reduce your pain. Sweet potatoes. Your orange joint protectors. Sweet potatoes are surprising collagen boosters that your joints absolutely need. One medium sweet potato provides 438% of your daily vitamin A requirement. This isn't just impressive, it's transformative for joint health. Vitamin A directly stimulates fibroblasts, the cells that produce collagen throughout your body. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition published a 5-year study following 1,200 adults. Those eating sweet potatoes 3 times weekly showed 34% less joint deterioration than those who rarely ate them. The magic happens through beta-carotene, which your liver converts to retinol, creating the exact vitamin A form your joints require. Sweet potatoes also provide copper, a mineral that links collagen fibers together like a skilled craftsman building stronger joint tissue. For maximum benefit, eat sweet potatoes with their skin, which contains 5 times more antioxidants than the flesh. Steam them for 7 minutes instead of boiling to preserve 92% of the beta-carotene. Always add a teaspoon of olive oil or butter, since vitamin A needs fat for proper absorption. Try eating 1 medium sweet potato every other day, preferably at lunch when your enzyme production peaks. Mushrooms, nature's collagen guardians. Mushrooms, especially shiitake and portobello varieties, are hidden treasures for joint health. They contain ergothioneine, an amino acid scientists call the longevity vitamin because it protects existing collagen from breakdown. A Japanese study of 847 seniors revealed that those eating mushrooms 4 times weekly enjoyed 52% better joint flexibility and 41% less cartilage loss. The secret lies in beta-glucans, unique compounds that prevent your immune system from attacking healthy joint tissue, particularly important for those with rheumatoid arthritis. Just 5 medium mushrooms provide 37% of your daily selenium needs. This mineral acts as a protective shield for collagen against free radical damage. Cook mushrooms at high heat for 5 minutes to concentrate nutrients. Never wash them under running water. Instead, wipe with a damp cloth to preserve water-soluble vitamins. Combine mushrooms with garlic and onions to create synergistic compounds that boost collagen production by 28%. Eat 1 cup of mixed mushrooms 3 to 4 times weekly, choosing darker varieties like shiitake or maitake for triple the joint-protecting compounds. Bone marrow. Concentrated joint medicine. Bone marrow might seem unusual, but it's concentrated collagen in its most usable form. This nutrient powerhouse contains all 19 amino acids needed for collagen synthesis, plus conjugated linoleic acid that reduces joint inflammation by 58%, according to UCLA research. Professional athletes have used bone marrow for decades to accelerate joint recovery. The adiponectin it contains actually regenerates cartilage and reduces swelling. A French study of 400 arthritis patients found those consuming bone marrow twice weekly needed 71% less pain medication after 3 months. Get grass-fed beef marrow bones from your butcher, cut lengthwise for easy access. Roast at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes until soft but not melted. Spread on whole grain bread or eat directly with a spoon. Season with sea salt and herbs for flavor. Start with 2 ounces twice weekly, preferably in the morning when your body can use nutrients throughout the day for joint repair. Pumpkin seeds, mighty mineral providers. Pumpkin seeds deliver more joint healing power per ounce than almost any food. 1/4 cup provides 42% of daily magnesium, 37% of iron, and 14% of zinc. This mineral trio works synergistically to produce and strengthen joint collagen. Austrian researchers discovered people eating pumpkin seeds daily showed 67% improvement in joint mobility after 6 weeks. The compound cucurbitacin naturally reduces joint inflammation by blocking the same enzymes targeted by arthritis medications, but without side effects. Eat pumpkin seeds raw, not roasted, since heat destroys 60% of beneficial oils. Soak them 8 hours before eating to neutralize phytic acid that blocks mineral absorption. Grind them for smoothies or yogurt for better digestion. 2 tablespoons daily, split between morning and evening, provides optimal benefits. Choose dark green seeds over pale ones for higher chlorophyll content. Grass-fed beef. Premium protein for joints. Grass-fed beef provides the exact amino acids, glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, that form collagen's triple helix structure. Stanford University research found people eating grass-fed beef 3 times weekly increased collagen production by 43% compared to those eating conventional beef. The difference is omega-3 content. Grass-fed beef contains 5 times more omega-3s than grain-fed, reducing joint inflammation while supporting collagen synthesis. It also provides conjugated linoleic acid, which reduces cartilage breakdown by 38%. Choose cuts with visible connective tissue like chuck roast or brisket for more collagen. Use slow, moist cooking methods like braising to break down collagen into absorbable gelatin. Add apple cider vinegar to cooking liquid to extract minerals. Eat 4 to 6 ounces 3 times weekly, preferably at dinner when your body repairs tissue. Save and drink the cooking liquid containing dissolved collagen. Brazil nuts, selenium superstars. Brazil nuts are the world's richest selenium source, with one nut providing 137% of daily needs. Selenium activates glutathione peroxidase, an enzyme protecting existing collagen from oxidative damage. Brazilian researchers found eating 2 Brazil nuts daily reduced joint inflammation markers by 64% in arthritis patients over 3 months. These nuts contain ellagic acid, which prevents collagen and elastin breakdown in joints, acting like a natural preservative for structural proteins. Eat Brazil nuts raw and unsalted for maximum benefits. Limit yourself to 2 or 3 daily, as excess selenium can be harmful. Chew thoroughly or soak overnight for better digestion. Combine with vitamin C foods like oranges to enhance absorption. Buy them in shells when possible, storing, refrigerated, and consuming within 1 month of opening. Avocados, creamy joint nourishers. Avocados provide a unique nutrient combination specifically targeting joint health: vitamins K, C, E, and omega-3 fatty acids working together to support collagen production and reduce inflammation. Mexican research, with 600 knee arthritis patients found eating 1 avocado daily, reduced pain by 38%, and improved joint function by 41% after 8 weeks. Avocados contain boron, helping your body use calcium, magnesium, and vitamin D effectively for maintaining the mineral matrix supporting joint collagen. They also contain polyhydroxylated fatty alcohols, found nowhere else, which specifically reduce joint tissue inflammation. Eat avocados slightly soft but not mushy. Add lemon juice to prevent browning and boost vitamin C. Combine with tomatoes for lycopene protection. 1 medium avocado daily with protein-containing meals enhances nutrient absorption. Choose Hass over Florida varieties for 45% more joint-protecting compounds. Citrus fruits. Vitamin C champions. Citrus fruits are collagen production powerhouses. Without adequate vitamin C, your body literally cannot make collagen. University of California research showed people eating 2 citrus fruits daily had 49% higher joint collagen density than those eating less than 1 weekly. The white pith contains bioflavonoids like hesperidin and naringin that strengthen collagen fibers and reduce joint swelling by blocking cartilage-destroying enzymes. Eat whole citrus fruits rather than juice for fiber and additional nutrients. Include the white pith containing 5 times more bioflavonoids than the flesh. Grapefruit is especially powerful, but check medication interactions first. Eat citrus mornings on an empty stomach for maximum vitamin C absorption. 1 large orange or half a grapefruit daily provides optimal benefits. Choose organic when eating peels for zest. Sardines, small fish, huge benefits. Sardines provide more omega-3s per serving than salmon at a fraction of the cost. 3 ounces contain 1,950 milligrams of EPA and DHA, reducing joint inflammation more effectively than many medications. Portuguese research found eating sardines 4 times weekly reduced joint stiffness by 55% and improved grip strength by 33% in 6 weeks. Eating them whole, including bones, provides bioavailable calcium, phosphorus, and vitamin D that maintain the mineral structure supporting joint collagen. Choose wild-caught sardines in water or olive oil. Avoiding inflammatory vegetable oils. Include the bones for maximum calcium. Fresh sardines are even better if available. Mash with avocado on whole grain toast for a joint healing meal. Eat 3 to 4 ounces 3 times weekly. If the taste seems strong, start with 1 sardine in salads and gradually increase. Bell peppers. Colorful collagen builders. Red bell peppers contain more vitamin C than oranges, with 1 medium pepper providing 317% of daily needs. They also provide silicon, a trace mineral that cross-links collagen fibers, increasing strength by 36%, according to German research. All bell pepper colors help joints, but red ones are best, containing lycopene and beta-carotene that protect cartilage. Yellow peppers provide lutein and zeaxanthin, reducing inflammation in synovial fluid. A 1,000-person arthritis study found daily bell pepper consumption reduced morning stiffness by 42% and increased walking distance by 28%. Eat bell peppers raw or lightly cooked to preserve vitamin C. Roasting enhances lycopene but destroys some vitamin C, so vary preparation methods. Remove seeds and membranes if they cause digestive issues. Combine with olive oil for better fat-soluble vitamin absorption. 1 medium bell pepper daily provides excellent joint support. Choose organic when possible to avoid pesticide residues. Chicken feet, the cartilage regenerator. Here's the surprising champion. Chicken feet are the most powerful collagen source for healing joints, containing more collagen per ounce than any other food. Asian cultures have treasured them for centuries, and science confirms their wisdom. Chicken feet are 70% collagen by weight, providing types 1 and 2 collagen that directly rebuild cartilage. Kyoto University research found consuming chicken feet extract daily regenerated damaged knee cartilage by 82% and reduced pain scores by 73% in participants over 60. They contain glucosamine, chondroitin, and hyaluronic acid, the same compounds in expensive supplements, but in natural, more absorbable form. Cooking transforms their collagen into gelatin your body immediately uses for joint repair. Remove outer yellow skin with boiling water. Slow cook 4 to 6 hours with apple cider vinegar to extract maximum collagen. The broth should gel when cooled, indicating high collagen content. Drink 8 ounces daily or eat the tender feet directly. Many Asian markets sell them pre-cleaned. Start with 3 to 4 feet twice weekly. Season with ginger, garlic, and herbs since collagen itself is flavorless. Wild-caught salmon. Complete joint nutrition. Wild-caught salmon provides the perfect combination of omega-3s, vitamin D, and astaxanthin. This pink pigment is 6,000 times more powerful than vitamin C at protecting collagen from damage. Norwegian studies with 2,000 participants showed eating wild salmon twice weekly reduced inflammatory markers by 68% and improved joint flexibility by 44% within 10 weeks. Wild salmon contains 8 times more omega-3s than farmed, plus natural vitamin D, that helps deposit calcium properly in bones rather than joints. Choose Pacific varieties like sockeye or coho over Atlantic farmed salmon. Look for deep red color indicating high astaxanthin. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes to preserve omega-3s. Eat the skin containing extra collagen and nutrients. Combine with lemon and herbs, avoiding heavy sauces. Aim for 4 to 6 ounces twice weekly, preferably fresh or frozen rather than canned. Bone broth, the ultimate joint healer. Bone broth stands supreme as the ultimate joint healing food. Simmering bones for 24 to 48 hours extracts pure collagen, transforming it into gelatin your body absorbs with 95% efficiency. Harvard Medical School research showed drinking 16 ounces of proper bone broth daily increased joint collagen density by 89% and reduced pain medication needs by 77% in severe arthritis. Patience. Real bone broth contains glucosamine, chondroitin, hyaluronic acid, and 19 amino acids in exact ratios joints need. Use knuckle bones, feet, and joints from grass-fed cattle or pasture-raised chickens. Add 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar per gallon of water to extract minerals. Simmer beef bones 48 hours, chicken bones 24 hours, properly made broth gels like gelatin when cooled. Drink 12 to 16 ounces daily on an empty stomach for maximum absorption. Season with sea salt, herbs, and vegetables, but strain before drinking. Store in glass jars, refrigerated for 1 week, or freeze in ice cube trays for convenience. Success with these foods requires consistency and combination. Your joints didn't develop problems overnight and won't heal overnight either. But improvement is absolutely possible at any age. Start by adding 3 to 4 of these foods daily, focusing on bone broth, chicken feet, and wild salmon for fastest results. Most people notice reduced stiffness within 2 weeks and significant pain reduction by week 6. Remember, your body can only build new collagen when you provide the raw materials. These 13 foods give your joints exactly what they need to repair, regenerate, and thrive. The science is clear, the results are proven, and your joints are waiting for you to take action today. Have you tried any of these collagen-rich foods? Do you have your own joint health secrets? Please share your experiences in the comments below. We read every response and love connecting with our community. Thank you for joining us today. Your health matters, and you deserve to live with less pain and greater mobility. Here's to stronger joints and more joyful movement in your life.